Now look down. Look down and memorize the colors you've been assigned. If you have a bag on your back shoulders or around your waist, take it off, hold it in your hands. If you don't know what you have qualifies as a bag, congratulations, it's a bag, take it off.
Blue and red and soft. Silver and orange right behind that. Go by, step forward. How many do you have? So, you four, I'm silver. Maybe you three, we want orange. How many do we have? 8. My first 4. I'm red.
Blue and red is the south line colors. Silver, orange, color map, your colors.
Very well. Those colors you want to sing.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Seatbelts go left to right.
Then we have the recruits.
Who's coming back with an attack force? Get to the escape pods now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Reportos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
This is R5 to get you back safe.
You got caught. That's not a great look. It's alright. This is R5's first mission, so he is a little bit nervous. Just a heads up, I ran out of navigational chips, only had first time. So R5.
Das hätte ich rausgeschickt oder einzeln? Beide waren gleichzeitig raus?
Beide gleichzeitig. Beide gleichzeitig, glaube ich. Aber unterschiedliche Wege. So ein bisschen.
Es gibt 2 Wege.
Ja.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
There, see? I told you it wouldn't be a problem.
Attention. There has been a temporary interruption to transport power. Please stay seated. Operations will resume shortly.
Schon wieder down? Ja, kurz. Ich höre vor, der wäre kaputt und wird die ganze Zeit rauf und runter. Sind wir schuld?
Attention, please. The ride has temporarily stopped. Please stay seated. A cast member will assist you shortly.
Er ist mega, mal im Helm zu sehen. Ich kriege mir nur ein Fass. Ich prima so ein Gimbal, da kannst du überhaupt nicht rumstimmen.